You're not losing because your strategy is broken. You're not losing because the market is against you. You're losing because of the state you bring to the chart every single day. The internal state. The invisible thing that nobody talks about and everybody suffers from. The scarcity. The fear. The desperate need for every trade to work, because if it does not, something feels like it is ending. That is the real problem. And until you face it directly, nothing else you learn will matter. Think about the last time you moved your stop loss. Think about the last time you sized up to recover a loss. Think about the last time you sat at the screen forcing a trade that was never part of your plan just because you could not stand being on the sidelines anymore. That was not a strategy problem. That was not a knowledge problem. That was scarcity operating through your hands. That was the mindset of not enough making every decision for you while you convinced yourself you were trading. And the worst part is, you already knew it was wrong. You felt it. That inner voice said, do not do this. The plan said, do not do this. But the scarcity was louder. The need was louder. And so you did it anyway and paid for it anyway and told yourself next time will be different. Next time was not different. It never is. Not until the state changes. So what is the law of abundance and why does it matter in trading? It is not a mystical concept. It is not positive thinking or pretending losses do not hurt or telling yourself you are wealthy while the account is bleeding. It is something far more practical than that. The law of abundance is the operating state of a trader who does not need any specific trade to work, who does not need this session to be profitable to feel okay, who does not need to recover yesterday's loss today, who can sit in front of the same chart, see the same setup, and take it cleanly because nothing catastrophic is riding on the outcome. That state produces completely different decisions than the state of scarcity. Not slightly different, completely different. The abundant trader takes the stop loss because the loss was already accepted before the trade was entered. The abundant trader holds the winner because there is no desperate need to grab the profit before it disappears. The abundant trader passes on the marginal setup because there is no urgency screaming that something has to happen before this session ends. Every single decision is cleaner. Every single execution is more aligned with the plan. And over time, cleaner decisions compound into better results. Better results compound into more confidence. More confidence deepens the abundance. The cycle runs upward. Scarcity runs the opposite cycle. And most traders are trapped inside it right now, without realizing that the trap is internal. Here is what scarcity actually feels like in a trading session. It feels like watching the account balance instead of the chart. It feels like the tightening in the chest when a trade moves against the position even within normal range. It feels like exiting a winner early because the profit on screen feels too fragile to trust. It feels like taking a trade you knew was wrong because sitting out felt worse than the risk of losing. It feels like needing the market to give you something. And the market does not respond well to being needed. It does not reward desperation. It does not go easy on traders who are already down. It does not produce setups on demand just because a trader has been sitting there for 3 hours waiting for something to justify the session. The market is completely indifferent to what you need. It moves on its own terms, in its own direction, at its own pace. The trader who needs it to behave a certain way will force entries when the behavior is absent, will rationalize suboptimal setups into qualifying ones, will increase size when a plan says hold size because the need to recover faster is louder than the rules. This is scarcity at work. This is the state that quietly destroys accounts that good strategies should be building. And you know it. You have felt it. Most traders reading this have felt it in almost every session and have never named it clearly enough to address it directly. So name it now. The problem is scarcity. The solution is abundance. And abundance is buildable. It is not a personality trait you either have or do not have. It is a state that specific practices create over time. I am calm. I am confident. I am clear-minded. I am patient. I can take losses. I do not need to win. I am abundant. Read those again, not as affirmations to repeat mindlessly, as descriptions of the operating state that every clean, profitable trading session requires. Because every one of those statements is the direct opposite of what scarcity produces. Scarcity is not calm. It is tense, reactive, and urgent. Scarcity is not confident. It is anxious, hesitant, and second-guessing every entry. Scarcity is not clear-minded. It doesn't know what it's looking for in the chart. Every setup feels like a potential trade. Scarcity is not patient. It forces trades when the market is not offering anything, because empty time feels like failure. Scarcity cannot take losses. It moves stop losses. It holds losing trades past their exit point. It chases recovery trades that dig the hole deeper. Scarcity needs to win. Every trade, every session, because the account balance has become the measure of whether everything is okay. Scarcity is not abundant. It is operating from a feeling that there is never enough. That every missed trade is a resource lost forever. That every loss is a threat to the entire journey. When you trade from that state, the plan does not stand a chance. You can have the best strategy in the world, the clearest entry criteria, the most logical stop placement, and scarcity will override every single element of it the moment the market puts pressure on you. You have experienced this. You already know this is true. So how do you actually build the abundant state? The first thing to understand is that it does not come from the account balance reaching a certain number. Traders with large accounts operate from scarcity all the time. The number in the account does not determine the internal state. The internal state determines how the account moves. The abundant state starts with a genuine change in the relationship with losses. A loss is a cost. It is the cost of participating in a probabilistic market with a strategy that does not win every trade. It was always going to be there. The strategy was built around it. The risk management accounts for it. Before the trade is entered, the loss amount is already spent. It is the entry fee. If the trade wins, the fee is returned with profit. If the trade loses, the fee was the price of the opportunity. When you genuinely internalize this, when you feel it rather than just understand it intellectually, the stop loss becomes easy to take. Because the money was already gone before the trade opened. There is nothing to protect at the stop level. The decision was already made. Most traders have not internalized this. They enter trades hoping to win and dreading to lose, which means the loss always arrives as a shock. And shocks trigger scarcity. And scarcity makes the next decision worse. Pre-accept the loss. Before every trade, look at the risk amount and say, honestly, this is already spent. If the setup qualifies, I am paying this amount for the opportunity. What comes back is a bonus. What does not come back was already gone. Do that consistently and watch how differently the session feels. The second thing to understand is that setups are not rare. Scarcity treats every setup as precious, as irreplaceable, as something that if missed will not come again. And that feeling drives some of the worst trading decisions available. Chasing entries past the optimal level, taking near-miss setups because the fear of missing the move is stronger than the discipline to wait for the criteria to be fully met. Here is the truth. The market produces qualifying setups continuously. For any strategy with a logical basis applied to an active market, the setups repeat. The specific trade that was missed is one instance of a pattern that will appear again. Being out of it is a minor event in a continuous stream of opportunities. The wave passed without you catching it. Another wave is coming. Some will be the right shape. Those are the ones to catch. The ones that are almost the right shape are the ones that drown you. When you genuinely believe that opportunities are continuous, the urgency that scarcity produces around any individual setup dissolves. You can pass on the marginal trade without the feeling that you are giving up something that will not return. You can watch a setup develop and not quite trigger without the FOMO that pushes early entries. You can close a session with no trades and feel genuinely okay about it because you know the next session is coming and the market will offer what it offers when it offers it. That is abundance applied directly to how you see opportunities. And it changes everything about how you execute. The third thing is the relationship with time. Most traders are in a hurry. They want the account to grow faster than the process allows. They want the results now, this week, this month. And that impatience is scarcity in a different form. It is the feeling that there is not enough time, that the results need to arrive before something runs out. But trading is a long game. The edge of a sound strategy expresses itself across hundreds of trades applied consistently over months and years. No single session determines the outcome. No single week makes or breaks the journey. Time is working in your favor if the process is sound. Every clean execution adds a data point. Every data point builds the sample. The sample reveals the edge. The edge compounds. There is no urgency. There is only the next correct execution. When you genuinely feel this, when you stop experiencing each session as a make-or-break event and start experiencing it as one small contribution to a large, long-running process, the pressure inside each session drops dramatically. The scarcity that pressure was feeding starts to starve. Be patient. The results are being built every time you execute correctly. You cannot see them in any individual session. You will see them across the year. Trust that and stop trying to force the year into a single session. I am calm. I am confident. I am clear-minded. I am patient. I can take losses. I do not need to win. I am abundant. Say these before every session, not as a ritual, as a deliberate reset of the operating state before live price movement begins generating stimulation and pressure. Before the screen is full of moving candles and open positions. Before the emotional system has anything to react to, set the state before the session sets it for you. Because the session will try to set it for you. The first loss of the day will try to set it. The missed setup that runs without you will try to set it. The slow, empty hour where nothing qualifies will try to set it. All of it will push towards scarcity if you let it. The pre-session is your opportunity to be deliberate, to choose the state before the market has a chance to impose one, to remind yourself who you are as a trader and what the process actually is before the pressure of execution makes it easy to forget. This is not soft. This is not fluffy. This is the most practical preparation available. The trader who sits down calm, confident, patient, and genuinely at peace with whatever outcome the session produces is a completely different execution machine than the trader who sits down anxious, behind, and desperately needing something to happen. Same chart, same strategy, different state, completely different session. Here is something that very few people in trading will say to you directly. The traders who are consistently profitable are not the ones who found the best strategy. They're not the ones who put in the most screen time or learn the most indicators or study the hardest. They're the ones who found a way to operate from genuine abundance consistently enough and for long enough that their strategy had the clean execution environment it needed to prove itself. The strategy needs you to be calm when the stop is being approached so you do not move it. The strategy needs you to be patient when the session is empty so you do not force a trade that was never part of the plan. The strategy needs you to be clear-minded to know exactly what you're looking for. The strategy needs you to be confident enough in the process that a string of losses does not send you back to the drawing board and discard the edge before it has had enough trades to express itself. The strategy needs you to be able to take losses without the spiral that turns one bad trade into a blown session. The strategy needs you to not need to win on any individual trade, so that every trade gets taken and managed on its own merits rather than through the distorting lens of what the account currently requires. The strategy needs your abundance. Without it, no strategy survives contact with a losing streak. Without it, no edge survives the emotional override that scarcity produces under pressure. You are the variable, not the strategy, not the market, not the time frame, not the indicator. You, and you're changeable. That is the part that matters. Think about why you got into trading. Freedom, control over your own time, the ability to build something real on your own terms. A life that looks different from the one that was handed to you by default. Those things are still possible. They are not impossible dreams. They're the outcomes of a sound process applied consistently by a trader operating from the right internal state. They are what abundance, sustained over time, through hundreds of clean executions, through losing streaks and empty sessions and moments of self-doubt, eventually produces. But they will remain thoughts inside your head if the operating state never changes. The strategy alone will not get you there. Screen time alone will not get you there. More indicators, more confluences, more complexity will not get you there. The state gets you there. The calm, confident, patient, loss-accepting, non-needing, abundant state that allows the strategy to run clean enough and long enough to actually produce the results it is capable of producing. That state is available to you. It is not reserved for traders with larger accounts or more experience or some personality type you are not. It is built through specific practices applied consistently. Pre-accepting losses before trades are taken. Reminding yourself that setups are continuous and no individual one is irreplaceable. Measuring yourself on execution quality rather than session P&L. Setting the state deliberately before the session begins. And saying it, meaning it, every single session before the platform opens. I am calm. I am confident. I am clear-minded. I am patient. I can take losses. I do not need to win. I am abundant. The market responds to what you bring to it. Bring scarcity, and it will find every single decision point to extract it from you. The move stop, the revenge trade, the forced entry in the empty session, the oversized position trying to recover faster than the plan allows. Every expression of scarcity has a financial consequence, and the market delivers those consequences with complete consistency. Bring abundance, and the market becomes what it actually is. A continuous stream of opportunities to apply a process that works. Session after session, trade after trade, clean execution after clean execution. Each one adding to the sample. Each sample building toward the results that are already embedded in the edge of the strategy. The law of abundance is real in trading. Not because the universe rewards positive thinkers, because the internal state of the trader is the environment inside which every decision is made. And decisions made from calm, grounded, non-attached abundance are consistently better than decisions made from anxiety and need. This is not the market being mysterious. This is psychology being mechanical. Scarcity produces specific errors. Those errors have specific financial costs. Abundance eliminates the errors. The costs disappear. The edge runs clean. It starts with the decision to change the state. Not tomorrow. Not after the losing streak ends. Not after the account recovers to a level that feels safer. Now, before the next session, before the next trade, before the next moment the market puts pressure on you and the scarcity tries to make the decision for you. You deserve an account that reflects what your strategy is actually capable of when you are out of its way. You deserve sessions where the plan is followed cleanly from open to close. You deserve the compounding that consistent, abundant execution produces over time. But you have to choose the state first. The results follow the state. They always have. They always will. So choose. I am calm. I am confident. I am clear-minded. I am patient. I can take losses. I do not need to win. I am abundant. Now open the chart and trade like it.